McIlroy, the 25-year-old Irishman, currently ranked as the #1 player in the world, is the 6-5 favorite. Now, McIlroy is a 4-time major champion, but he has never won the Masters. His best Masters finish came last year when finishing 8th. The second choice in the event is the young star from Dallas, Texas, 21-year-old Jordan Spieth. He's listed at odds of 8-1. Listed as the third choice at odds of 10-1, the 36-year-old lefty, Bubba Watson. There's another lefty in the field, a more popular lefty, and that's Phil Mickelson. He's listed at 20-1, and twice Phil's price is the 39-year-old Tiger Woods. Low expectations this year, odds of 40-1, considering Tiger hasn't competed in a tournament in 9 weeks. But he does have history on his side, being a 4-time champion of the Masters after competing there in Augusta 17 times. Jack Nicklaus, the Golden Bear, holds the record for the most Masters victories with 6. According to the Weather Channel, there's a 30% chance of rain Thursday, 80% chance of precipitation Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so the golfers may have to compete with some wet conditions. The green jacket is one of the greatest prizes in all of sports, and it'll be interesting to see late Sunday afternoon who's wearing the sport coat.